What it is, YouTube, man, and welcome back to another great, beautiful morning out here in the good old ELP, Texas. So right now, we are about to head to the shop. I got a surprise for you guys. I got some parts come in, and I've been waiting for these parts for 6 months, man. So, you know, now they're here, and I am ecstatic because, like I said, I ordered them 6 months ago. It took God ever, and now it means I can move forward with my process, get it all done, and show y'all my vision and the things that I want to do. I'm a very, very, very big car person, so I can't believe this day has finally come. So let's hop into F-150, head to the shop. We might be going to a show tonight, maybe like a little burnout pit, see what they got going on. Might do that, but for the most part, man, I'm ready. So when we get to the shop, I'm gonna reveal all the parts to y'all. Y'all gonna see it. We're gonna talk to Chewy, and let's get this going, man. Y'all don't understand how excited I am. I've waited so long for this stuff. My car went down a year ago, and these parts that I got, the new ones, pretty much just signifies that, you know, we are ready to move forward, and it's almost that time. The Mustang, the Chameleon, it will live again to terrorize the streets. And as you guys saw last time, right, we're aiming for 1300 horsepower, and that's like to the wheels, not to the crank. So yeah, man, let's head to the shop though and get it going. YouTube, man, my DGB family. Hey, check it out, right? So I told you I had a little surprise for y'all, and I just arrived to the shop, so check it out. Yeah, I know purple my favorite color. So my mechanic Chewy, my buddy, he's the one who put this body kit on, so he does crazy body work. If anybody needs, you know, work done, this purple is shining. I told you I had a surprise for you, man. Look at that. I'm gonna see if I can get the owner to take me for like a small ride. Maybe we can do something. But yeah, this mug is clean. It's nice. But yep, let's get on to box delivery. And that's picking up the Chameleon, doing the parts delivery on that. I gotta get some focus on here, man. Better. But yeah, so we're gonna do a parts delivery. Brand new McLaren 720S. Oh, look at that. So we got the Corvette Z06 out too, with the high ram wing. It's cooling off. Dang. That's what I'm talking about, man. I picked the right guy. But yeah, if I had 200,000 to spend, I don't know if I'll buy a McLaren or a Lamborghini.
You serious?
He walked out. Constantly always on the move. Today, I'm just ready to reveal y'all my surprise, these parts I got, so y'all can see what we're doing. Alright, so I know this video's all over the place, man. I'm still waiting to show y'all these parts, man, but now we're about to take the McLaren out for a ride. You know, I was begging them to take me out for it in it, so y'all bear with me, man. I'm telling you, I'm gonna show y'all these parts, man, and y'all gonna be like, dang, I can't believe it. You know, y'all gonna see the vision that I see. But I know I said I would never buy a supercar if I had the money, but riding one is a different story. You know what I'm saying? Like, I can't pass up the opportunity. Why not? Like I said, my boy Chewy's the one who put on this body kit, but purple's my favorite color if y'all didn't know. And this mug is sexy with a carbon fiber, like, oh, excuse me, forged carbon fiber. So it's a 720S, I had it right. But this mug is crazy. I repeat. You know, purple my favorite color, so, you know, I gotta go for a ride. Let me get a nice, good, clean start up, too. Huh? No. Yeah, so like I said, I know this video's everywhere, man, but I just say, oh, it's not that loud. It's loud, but it's not that loud. I think the Mustang's louder. That's what it's all about, man. Like, manifesting and touching greatness. I've never been in a Lamborghini, I've never been in a McLaren, so I don't even know how to open the door. it? Oh. Yeah. Ain't gonna lie, I think the Mustang's louder though. Probably. This mug's clean. That's crazy. I'm sorry, I haven't been Supercar. I'm broke. I was just telling him, like, man, if I had $200,000 to spend, I probably still wouldn't buy a McLaren or a Lamborghini. I'll buy another Mustang and soup it up and then buy a real nice ass crib and garage. I don't think I'll actually buy a McLaren or a Lamborghini. This one is crazy. I've never been in one. I always seen them on TV and videos and stuff. I've never been on one. And my screen bigger than that. For me to be in this is a legendary, iconic moment, and I greatly appreciate it. Also, some stuff I've been doing, man, I've been praying a lot more. Every morning I wake up and I'm gonna start sharing it with you guys. This is very different. Okay. Man, this is clean. This is great. This purple is hidden. I love this color. That's hard. Look, smiling ear to ear, teeth is ready. All 32 are out right now. That's crazy. Get out the way, truck. If I had 200,000, I might just have to invest in one. I ain't gonna lie. I'm feeling a little conflicted now. I take about everything I said. That mug is nice. And it's low too. Sheesh. That mug is nice. I don't know. I'm feeling a little conflicted right now. I might have to go on and if I get 200,000 and y'all gonna help me get there, I might actually invest in one. That'll be the only car I buy. This mug is nice though. I like this a lot, and it's fast. But hey, what's the horsepower on it, you know? This in my car probably be a good little run, maybe. man. Yeah, this mug is clean. Like, look at that. That is just absolute beauty. And I've never been in one. He also has a twin turbo Lamborghini. Try to get one of those in a video one day as well. But hey, so we're gonna head back to the shop, and I'm gonna finally reveal the parts that I bought. And we're gonna get to the real reason of this video. I know I keep saying that, and I know that this video's everywhere, but hey, just bear with me, you guys, and I appreciate y'all, man. Just understand, I'm doing this for y'all, and I'm doing this for myself. I'm gonna get into another video or another time where I start talking about, you know, what it's like to be out of the military and retired, and my mental health and what I went through doing it. So we'll get into that later. Today's about fun and keeping it real and keeping it just all around gangster, I guess. All right, family, this is the main event right here. The pistons, the rods, the crankshaft, all the ARP studs, and all the good parts. Like, what we're looking at right here is $15,000 alone in parts. And you see, Chameleon's down from the lift. What are we doing today, Chewy?
Today we're gonna extract the motor.
Today we are pulling out the motor. So we are in the biggest starting point that I've been waiting so long for, and out of being, you guys don't know, if you watch my Instagram stories, out of being scammed, out of, you know, losing so much money, I finally got the right mechanic, and I got a good friend in the process. So yeah, Chewy's gonna do his thing. I'm gonna record him. We're gonna get this motor extracted and start getting things cleaned up, man. I mean, I'm excited. Are you excited?
Oh, hell yeah.
I'm excited. Like, I can bust up. Excuse me.
Hey, that was weird.
Let's get to it. Let's start getting this motor extracted or cleaned up, and I guess extracted. And let's prepare for shenanigans. I'm looking kind of glossy. I'm sweating. Man. But all right, let's get it. Those not supposed to be in there. Those are mine. Everything's gonna be on video, so time to take the motor out. We are doing everything. Start pulling it out, getting tools set up. I'll try to help you as much as I can. I'm pretty much good at doing automotive stuff, but well, he says it's gonna take a couple hours, but we're gonna see exactly how long it takes. But I'm just excited. Y'all don't understand. You just don't get it. will say a job success today, right? Motors out, new parts are in or assembled. I think today was a very productive day. But we're still waiting on one more part, unfortunately. And they said it'll be another to 2 weeks, possibly. So, but we're not gonna let that get us down. That's what we're not about to do, and we're on our way. So I'm gonna see you on the next video, though.